everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and this is The Giraffe's Life, where I make travel and lifestyle videos. I'm currently in Notting Hill on my part 4 of my series of exploring new places in London that I've kind of been before but haven't really dug deep in exploring. So I'm currently on Portobello Road, which is probably the most famous road in Notting Hill, and I'm heading towards where the market is usually on. I do not think that the market is on today, partly because of COVID, but also because it's Wednesday, Thursday, I don't know what day it is. But yeah, we've literally just walked past the super famous colourful houses, and then there's it's so pretty over here. But yeah, this is part 4 of my series of exploring London, so if you haven't seen the other 3, they will be linked in the description, in the iCard, in the playlist, so if you want to see more of that. And also don't forget to subscribe. So this video is turning to shit everywhere I go. It's super busy with delivery drivers, people washing windows. So I went to the location where they have the travel bookshop in the Notting Hill film, and apparently the entire population of delivery drivers in London decided to gather in that area. So I decided to go to the original, the real Notting Hill bookshop, which the bookshop in the film is based upon, and there was 4 delivery trucks and stuff there. So now I'm gonna go to the Blue Door in Notting Hill and see if that works better. So it's the Blue Door from Notting Hill, probably the most famous door in all of London, but I don't have anyone to take a picture. I've already got pictures here. Yeah, this is the Blue Door from Notting Hill. For some reason they've painted a green heart, which I think is for the Grenfell Tower, which I believe is in this area. But yeah, that's 280 Westbourne Park Road. So if you do want to, if you're a big fan of Notting Hill and want to come, then this is the door, and you can take a picture in front of it. It's super, super cool. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get something. Okay, so literally as I was setting up my camera, there were 2 girls gonna take some pictures by the Blue Door, so I just asked them to take a picture of me, which was really nice. But yeah, now I'm just walking down the same road that the Blue Door's on, but just towards Little Venice, which is where I'm going now. But this is the road with all the super colourful houses, and I'm not someone who condones taking pictures in front of houses. I'll take a picture of the house, but I'm very rarely gonna pose in front of it unless there's something super, super, super cool, or it's a little bit more quiet and not in a busy area. But I'm currently gonna walk to Little Venice, which is in an area just north of Paddington and Maida Vale, I think it's called. On my way there, I'm gonna go to one of the locations from Love Actually, because one of the videos that's coming up soon is gonna be me showing you around lots of film locations from around London, because there's so many different films that use London for their locations. So I thought I'd take you along on a little film tour, and while I'm up here I might as well just go film in that area at the same time. So just coming from Notting Hill now, going towards Maida Vale, and it's called St. Luke's Mews, which is literally just down here. So I'm still in St. Luke's Mews, and I've decided to do a little photo shoot, so I'm going to show you how I do my photo shoot. This is going to be a teaser for a future video that I'm going to film. So yeah, this is just me doing some pictures on my own because there's no one else here. So there we have it. Photo shoot all on my own. So despite cycling the wrong way like always, it's freaking hard cycling in London because you can't just follow the roads and then you end up in some really big road feeling scared for your life. I've now come to Little Venice, which is right next to Warwick Avenue tube station. But I essentially cycled here because I'm cheap. It cost me £2 for 24 hours to cycle around London on the Boris bike, so that's kind of what I do. I think I'm trying to find somewhere to eat. I'm freaking starving and thirsty. I don't think there's anything around here. But the reason why it's called Little Venice is because this is the Regent's Canal, and this is pretty much where people have their little houseboats. So here's some people with their houseboats on a little tour. I think you can go down and walk along the canals, but I'm just going to walk around this little bit here, which is like, if you Google Little Venice, this is where it's going to take you. And then I'm going to head towards like Regent's Park, because I want to go up Primrose Hill and get a video from there for a feature film. But I'm also going to show you there, obviously, because Primrose Hill is freaking beautiful. It's got the best view of London. I'm doing that thing again where I'm just walking around trying to find somewhere to eat, and now I've kind of walked away from everywhere that there is places to eat, so now I'm just walking around starving. I also really need the toilet, so I need to find a cafe with a toilet that I can use. There are lots of people in these little tiny boats, so I assume we can rent them. It says goboat.co.uk, so I assume that you can rent these bikes or boats, I mean, and go down, up and down the canals, which is pretty freaking cool. Just a little peaceful outing on a boat in the Regent's canals. Like these people here, and then there's another one coming up here. So that's an option for you if you want to go see Regent's Canal in a different way. So I've made it to Regent's Park, or like the Primrose Hill bit of Regent's Park. And I am so thirsty. I didn't bring any water, and I haven't seen a single place where I can buy anything to drink. So I'm still looking for like a cafe. But I might go Primrose Hill and then walk towards Camden, and I know there's cafes over there. At least like a convenience store I can buy drinks. But yeah, I'll show you the view from the top. But this is a beautiful park. Look at that view. Absolutely stunning view of the London skyline. I love it. And there's a nice breeze. If only there was like an ice cream man up here, it would be perfect, because I'm thirsty and I kind of want an ice cream. So I'm back on Primrose Hill now because I went to this, I just went down to Primrose Hill Road or something like that, I can't remember what it's called, and there's a bunch of cafes, and I saw one with it's got like an ABBA mural on the outside. I forgot to do a video of it, but I went inside, ordered my food. I got a panini and a drink. By the way, if you're wondering where this t-shirt's from, it's from the James Blunt tour, which is the last ever like trip I did before Corona, when I went to Glasgow for my birthday, and I actually met James Blunt. But this is from his tour. It's a play on his song "You're Beautiful," and it says James Blunt tour on the back, which is good. But yeah, really enjoying this sandwich, but you probably can't hear a single word that I'm saying. Look at that! Look at that cheese! So I've just passed like Camden Market. I kind of just walked in and out again. I didn't really know what to do. And now I'm just continuing to King's Cross. And from there I'm going to try and cycle home. But yeah, I don't really know what to do today. It's a nice sunny day. And I'm definitely burnt myself. It's currently 2:45. and I'm kind of just walking. I was thinking it would be so cool to live in one of these houseboats. Maybe not here, like where everyone's walking, but it's also so much maintenance. But it would be a pretty cool, like, one-year experience, just having a little boat. So if you're a big Harry Potter fan, I kind of made this like a Harry Potter theme. I've kind of made this into like a film location theme, even though this isn't the video I'm going to do that. But if you're a Harry Potter fan, come to King's Cross and you have platform 9 3/4. There's also the platform 9 3/4 shop, but it's currently closed because of COVID. Okay, I've just cycled all the way home and I am so thirsty, so I'm going to go into Sainsbury's and get myself a beer because I haven't had a cold beer in a really long time, and it feels like that's what I'm craving right now. I am so thirsty. I need to hurry home and get some drink in me. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed like walking around Notting Hill and Little Venice, Primrose Hill with me. If you did, please make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments down below if there's anything in London that you want me to go explore. Then leave a comment down below and I will do that. But thanks for watching this video. I will see you again next time with a new one. Until then, stay safe out there. Goodbye.